Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started by wrapping some fluffy yarn onto your kitty ears headband. So you can start by adding a drop of glue on either side of the headband using either super glue or hot glue so that it dries faster. Or you can go ahead and start wrapping the yarn onto the headband without the use of any glue, which is what I normally do. So just to show you how I get started, I align the fluffy yarn along the headband, just like that, with my left hand holding on to the yarn onto the headband, and then I start wrapping. I wrap it really tightly, make sure that you've got enough tension around it. Wrap it around the yarn, try to make it towards the end as possible, but make sure it doesn't slip off the end. Just wrap it really tightly and then start moving inwards as you wrap. So this way, as you can see, I'm moving inwards, but at the same time, if I let go, this bit of yarn is already wrapping around the end of the yarn. So if I continue going, just like that, the yarn isn't going to go anywhere because the tension is very taut. It's very tight. And I just keep going until the end bit of the yarn is no longer sticking out or you can no longer see it. Again, just keep going. We're almost there. And you can see, as you can see, the end bit of the yarn can no longer be seen. This is the only bit left. And it isn't loose at all because the yarn is wrapped tightly around it. So no glue is necessary. If I pull really hard, it's not gonna slip off. Keep going until you finish the entire headband. Make sure that when you go through the yarn that you cover the bottom half of the ears first. Wrap around this area and this area. Come to the end. Snip off the yarn and then start wrapping the exact same way that you started here along the outer parts of the ears. As you go on, you'll find that the grips of the headband will also hold the yarn in place. Therefore, I don't find any glue necessary. Again, if you feel more secure by starting off with a dab of glue so to hold it in place, feel free to do so. It doesn't affect the project at all.